What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. And right now, we are going to do a review on a particular trade that I could have taken today, but I didn't take because of some issues with my psychology, which I actually just discovered today, which actually prompted me to also make this video as a way to document my trade and also help the community. So if you watched our or if you saw the video, the pre-market analysis video for today, you notice that we are long on the 15 minutes and currently in a pullback on the 4 hours time frame. And on the 15 minutes, we said that if we see this break of structure to the upside, we wait for the retest and then a continuation. Or if we see a break of this low, we would wait for you know pullback, a pullback and then a continuation to the downside. But however, let me just go through everything and then I would explain what happened. And we're here as at this morning, 5:30. We saw all this forming, price is reacting from off this 5 minutes level here, you know, and then price is reacting, came into this block. I was expecting it to hold and take out this high, but ultimately it didn't. It continued going down. We saw these weeks in this at this level. I was hoping price would actually take this actually close below this so that we can then look for that pullback and then a continuation, but it didn't happen. And then what happens? We see price reacting from this other block or from this level of demand here, right? And then what happens? After that, we see price break and we see price break this level. You can see that we have a candle closing above that level. So let me just show you. Right, as you can see, price is closing above that level. And after that, what happened? This is the demand zone that actually caused that internal break of structure. And what happened? We see price come back to retest that zone. Now, my strategy says that once this happens, price is coming back to retest this zone. I will drop to the 1 minute time frame and I will look for entries, right? Now, looking for entries on this level, what do we notice? We notice that there is a demand chain that is forming. So we have this level, you can see it was taken out. Then we have this level, as you can see, it was taken out. Then we have this level, as you can see also, it was taken out. And then we have this level that wasn't taken, right? And then what happens? You can see that price comes back into that level. And we could have seen a good trade here. If we wanted more confirmation, you could wait for this high to break and then to break, and then price comes back into this zone, and then you could see your entry to the upside. But if we wanted to be aggressive, you could enter from here. What is this? This is 1.6 add 2 pips, that is 3.6. And we could target this high, right? And what happens? Price takes it with a clean 5R. This is a very clean move here. Very clean, very decent move I will take any day, anytime. But now, why didn't I take this trade? Now, if we should go to the 4 hours time frame, you will notice that price has been bearish. When I mean bearish, very, very bearish, right? And I was expecting this bearish trend to continue. Even though I done my analysis and I had seen that we are actually indecisive on where we are going to go. But I was still hoping we would go bearish, right? Now, what I failed to see was that we had this zone here, right? Price had already mitigated this zone before, and I was still expecting this zone to hold. Why? Because at the back of my mind, I was still expecting the bearish nature of the market to continue. So when price came into this level, I was hoping that okay, yeah, we are at this level, that means we are going to continue downwards. Now, my plan says that if we are actually to continue downwards, first of all, this low should go, right? Then we'll break this low, we'll retest it, and then we'll come back. This is if we are to go, if we are to continue the bearish move, right? But I was too, I don't know, I would say I was projecting my outcome on the market, that outcome of shorts, because that's what I was seeing. Even though the 15 minutes was clearly bullish, and we could see this 4 hour pulling back, and we could see this zone has already been mitigated here. I was still hoping that this zone would hold, which is very, very bad. That is why when this price action was forming here, I wasn't even seeing it, right? Just after it had formed and I saw it, I was like, what did I just do? What did I just do? Right? Because as I said, I was expecting shots. So what happened? When I saw these wicks playing out down here, I was happy. I was like, yes, finally, we are going to close below this level and then we'll pull back, retest this level and continue downwards. But no, what happened? I then saw this liquidity here, right? I was expecting price to go up, take that liquidity and come down. So even when I saw this price here, even when I saw price break this high here, this internal high, I didn't see it. What I was seeing was liquidity grab to continue downwards, right? And that is what made me not see this trade today. So I was just imposing my outcome on the market, which is not good. So guys, this is what I've learned from today's market. Never impose your trades on the market or what you want the market to do. Be impartial, wait for the market to do what it wants to do and then react based on what the market is doing, not what you feel you want the market to do. So I will leave this with you guys for today, and let me know if I should continue doing this kind of videos, um, trade reviews of the day. So I think I should shut up now and let you guys be. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for our pre-market analysis. Peace out.